G'day guys, welcome back to What the Fact. My name is Rich and I'm the APAC sales manager here at the Bearded Chap. Today we're going to be tackling the question of what's the difference between beard oil and beard balm. Beard balm is for your beard hair and beard oil is for the skin under the beard. That's it. Video done. Ryan, can I go now? See you guys. Now, if you guys have been looking really closely, you may have seen that we do use some of the same essential oils in both our beard oil and our beard balm. Now, you guys might be thinking that these products can be interchangeable using one or the other, but truthfully, they're entirely different products. Now, what is the difference between them? As you guys would have learned in our last episode of What the Fact about what is beard oil, it's a hyper-intensive moisturizer built to keep the skin healthy and assisting with the natural oil production on the actual skin itself under the beard. Our beard balm, however, is more of a conditioner and styling agent for the beard hair itself. Now this is a good combination of beeswax, cocoa butter, and essential oils for the beard itself. This includes argan oil for healthier and more fuller hair, and also rosehip and jojoba oil for more of a healthy skin underneath. Our beard balm is designed to give you a light hold to help keep the strays down and honestly just keep it under control all day. It also helps to protect and condition the beard hair itself. Now that you guys know the difference between beard oil and beard balm, which one should you actually be using? In honesty, both beard oil and beard balm should be used together as part of your daily routine. A good routine would actually be to use the beard balm first thing in the morning while you're styling your hair. That way you can condition and style the beard hair itself throughout the entire day. Then before you go to bed, use the beard oil. This will allow it to hydrate and moisturize the skin underneath the beard so you can wake up feeling fresh the next day. Plug. Essential Duo. For those of you guys that haven't tried it yet, I would 100% recommend jump onto our Essential Duo kit online. It comes with both a 30ml beard oil and a 50-gram beard balm. This is the perfect way for you guys to try out both products on your beard to see what's working best for you. Guys, this has been What the Fact. Again, my name is Richard. I'm the APAC sales manager here. Today we tackle what the difference is between beard oil and beard balm. If you've liked what you saw today, give us a like online, subscribe to our channel. Please comment below to say, hey, what's the difference between this and this product? What does this product do for me? I'll leave the questions up to you guys, send them our way and we'll answer them for you next time. Thanks a lot.